Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around, allowing you to see this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This is the 2014 the Ram 1500. Stock number is 7101. Now take notice of the exterior condition as we make our way up the passenger exterior. You're going to find there's no dings, no dents, no scratches, absolutely impeccable condition. Provide Carfax reports on all of our vehicles. Nice ample bed space if you're hauling stuff, maybe taking a trip. And if you got that company that needs some legroom, look at this. Absolutely comfortable with lots and lots of room. Making our way into the driver's seat. You're going to find this truck is fully loaded. Power windows, locks, cruise, tilt. It's got it all. Not going to last long. For more information on this truck or any other trucks in our inventory, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. And we'd like to meet you and get ready to save. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.